For too long, the drinking water testing process has been hampered by manual paperwork, inefficiencies, and the challenges of timely reporting. Here's where SampleH2O steps in. This platform was designed to redefine and simplify the drinking water sample collection and reporting process. The process begins with creating tailored sampling kits. Each QR-coded kit is equipped with QR-coded sample containers. Users can swiftly scan the code, link it to the system, and input essential details like name, address, sample location, and more. The questions for users are dictated by the type of water supply they are sampling. This process ensures that required information is never left out. The centralized system eliminates manual entry errors, illegible handwriting, and incomplete forms. After the user submits their form, detailed instructions are displayed on the screen. And the best part, the lab now knows that a sample has been taken and can anticipate its arrival. Upon arrival at the lab, each sample is logged digitally. A scan or manual input of the sample's unique ID brings up all the associated details, updating its status in real time. This drastically reduces entry times and potential data mismatches. No paperwork required. However, for users without smartphone access, this system can easily integrate with the few paper forms arriving with samples. Once analysis is complete, results are directly entered into SampleH2O. Instead of labor-intensive report generation, the system automates this process, sending accurate and timely reports to the respective recipients. These reports can be customized to fit any format. Moreover, data can be easily organized, retrieved, and bulk exported, making oversight and audits more manageable. The entire platform is browser-based, meaning no additional software or account creation is required. This reduces the technical hurdles for the sample-collecting end users. Moreover, SampleH2O is adaptable. It's white-labeled to fit seamlessly with your lab's branding, ensuring a consistent user experience. With SampleH2O, we're making strides in efficiency, reducing manual labor, and ensuring data accuracy. Numerous drinking water labs are already feeling the positive effects. We've taken data entry time spent on individual samples from 15 minutes to 90 seconds. For your lab, this means a more robust, reliable, and resource-efficient water testing process. Your lab and SampleH2O, working together for an efficient and accurate future in drinking water sample collection, testing, and reporting.